Dear Brondell Company, thank you very much for making my bidet. I will soon join the millions of people, although I missed the party, obviously. Anyway, I want to talk about this black gasket here. This gasket is for hooking up to the bottom of the toilet tank. The water supply, right? Right? Huh? Right? Look at how tiny it is. It is absolutely... You know what I'm saying? We need a gasket that's the size that you use with your garden hose. Ah! And this tape. This is not a thread tape situation. Ah! Other than this, please keep doing what you're doing. But give us a bigger gasket. Yeah, bigger gasket! Bigger gasket!